Hello everyone, this is the Unit 1 help video. We'll start out by looking at the Unit 1 calendar. Here we have the week of Monday, September 2nd. So we start Unit 1 on Thursday, September 5th with Unit 1 Narrative Techniques and Structure, Lesson 1 Workshop, Academic and Domain-Specific Words. Friday the 6th, we have our Unit 1 Lesson 2 Workshop, Narrative Arc, and Central Idea. The following week, we have Monday the 9th, working in Unit 1 Lesson 3, Arc and Central Idea, the Oasis, Africa. Tuesday, September 10th is async for English 9 only, so no English class that day. You will be working on your own to finish up Unit 1 Lesson 3. Wednesday, September 11th, you'll have advisory in the morning, synchronous, and then you'll be async in the afternoon. That's a half-day schedule that day, and you'll be working with advisory in the morning. Thursday, September 12th, we'll start Unit 1, Lesson 4, Arc and Central Idea, the interlopers. And Friday the 13th, we'll be working in Unit 1. We'll finish Unit 1, Lesson 4, and we'll take the 1.04 quiz. The 1.04 quiz will be due on Friday, September 13th. So then, the week after that, we will work on Unit 1, Lesson 5 on Monday the 16th, Workshop, Point of View and Narrator's Reliability. Tuesday the 17th, we'll complete Unit 1, Lesson 8, Workshop, Author's Viewpoint and Purpose. Wednesday the 18th, we'll start Unit 1, Lesson 9, Viewpoint and Purpose, the Final Assault. Thursday the 19th, we'll finish Lesson 9. Friday the 20th, we'll start Unit 1, Lesson 10, Viewpoint and Purpose, The Dream Comes True. No graded assignments that week. And the following week, we will have, we'll finish Unit 1, Lesson 10 on Monday the 23rd, and we will take the 1.10 quiz. The 1.10 quiz will be due on Monday, September 23rd. The rest of that week, we will be working on the unit review, which is Lesson 11. We'll have an Agora day out, and Lesson 12, which is the test and the constructed response. So Tuesday the 24th, we will do Lesson 11, which is our unit review. Wednesday the 25th is our ADO. Thursday the 26th, we will start Lesson 12, which is the test. You will start working in Linkit on the Unit 1 test and CR. And then Friday the 27th, we will finish Lesson 12, focusing on the constructed response. We will finish and submit the Linkit assignment, Unit 1 test and CR. In Linkit, the Unit 1 test and CR is called 2024-25, English 9, Unit 1A, CA, Narrative Techniques. The rest of Unit 1, we will do in a separate help video. Okay, so that's the calendar. Let's take a look in our online course. First, we'll go into content. Okay, on our left side, we'll click into our Unit 1, Narrative Techniques and Structure. Then on the right side of the page, we can see our unit materials section. Here's that calendar that we just looked at. In here will also be this help video link. In here is also Nearpod links that we will be using for our workshop lessons, and the daily lesson slides will be uploaded in here as well. So first we have our 1.01 lesson workshop, academic and domain specific words. Our 1.02 lesson workshop, narrative arc and central idea. 1.03 lesson, narrative arc and central idea, the Oasis Africa. 1.04 lesson, narrative arc and central idea, the interlopers. In here is in Unit 1, Lesson 4 is an assessment. So if we go into that assessment, here's the 1.04 quiz, narrative arc and central idea. It is due September 13th, and it ends September 16th. Next, we have our 1.05 lesson, workshop, point of view and narrator's reliability. Our 1.08 lesson, workshop, author's viewpoint and purpose. 1.09 lesson, viewpoint and purpose, the final assault. And our 1.10 lesson, viewpoint and purpose, the dream comes true. Again, in our Unit 1, Lesson 10, we have an assessment. If we go into the assessment, we can see here is the 1.10 quiz, author's viewpoint and purpose. It is due September 23rd, and it ends September 24th. After that, we have our 1.11 lesson, unit review. Okay, in the review part, we have there's the review Nearpod, there's the 2 K-12 online unit review lessons, there's the study guide, the content vocabulary, there's a practice test, and there is a test-taking strategies document. Okay, next we have our 1.12 lesson, which is our unit test. We have an assessment with directions. Go into the Linkit app from your class link, take the test in the Linkit program. Here's what it's called. There's some help videos for Linkit, and then there's a test read aloud link as well. If we go into the assessment part of the lesson, we have those directions and those links, and we have the CR document. We have a graphic organizer for the CR. We have a checklist for the CR and a CR rubric. And we'll do the rest of Unit 1 in a separate help video. So if we go into grades, go into the grade book, you can see here's our Unit 1 assignments, the 1.04 quiz, narrative arc and central idea is worth 4 points, and the 1.10 quiz on author's viewpoint and purpose is worth 5 points. The Unit 1 test and CR is done in Linkit. That's worth 50 points total. Then we have the retakes, which we'll talk more about, and the enrichment and the short stories, which we will talk more about in a separate help video. The live links will be in here once we get to them, and you'll be able to click on those right from the gradebook and access those assessments. And that's it for this help video.